SBI Life, again, one more hot favorite. Uh, Even I was having a thought that insurance will be a favorite sector. Obviously, what happened is about couple of weeks back we did HDFC Life. And today I did SBI Life, and one more insurance company also is there in today's list. After doing all this study, I realized that it's only hype in the market. No investor is there's no commitment for insurance companies. Don't know why. I'm not going into detail about fundamental and all those things. I'm just taking the numbers. Ranking, earnings rank is 80.8%. Beautiful place. It's qualified to be in the first quartile and we can buy. While price rank is 29.3%. That's this big difference. There is something wrong. There is a mismatch. Let's look at it further. Good sales growth. Sales growth is there. Margins are under pressure. PSU management. This is going to be there. When competition comes, they are not able to sustain margins. So when margin pressure comes, there will not be performance. Profits will not be there. When profit is not there, stock will not go up. Of course, in September 20 result, the stock has showed signs of growth. If it continues to do that for next 1 or 2 quarters, stock can go up. Well, as of now, the stock is in a very, very broad range. With this range, if we have to buy, it is huge risk. It needs to form a pattern. That pattern formation also looks like it will take a lot of time. Obviously, new entrant in the market, it would have also already hyped up when it came into IPO itself. Who made money? SBI made money by selling their stake, and they have booked that profit in their stock. And their balance sheet is pumping up because of these kind of sales. FIs and MFs are buying, not FIIs. Financial institutions, local institutions, and mutual funds are buying. Don't know what commitment they have. For us, wait for strength to build up. Only then we can buy SBI Life. For now, no, SBI Life is not looking good as per our system. We follow a system-based approach to investing, and it doesn't mean only our system will qualify. There will be various methods that is there. The number of people they are in the market, that much extent of strategies and theories are there in the market. So somebody might be willing to buy. In our system, we will not touch this stock. So our thoughts and views, ideas about SBI Life, not a buy for us. Though earnings rank is 80.8, support is not there with price. So we will stay away from the stock. If somebody wants to invest, I didn't give a buy zone because it's already passed through the buy zone and it's come down. From here, it has to build up strength and then go up. Only then there will be. As of now, there is no reason to buy the stock. So that's why I didn't give any buy zone. If you want to buy, if you have a conviction, like there are a lot of people who are talking about insurance today. And nowadays, I see people talking that I want to build a portfolio for 10 years. Can I buy with SIP? Why you have to go and buy these kind of businesses and put your hard-earned money there to make it sleep? Do analysis, take best stocks. The moment you buy a stock, it should go in your direction, not in the opposite direction. Don't go in reverse gear. So do your judgment, make your decision, and buy the stock. That is for SBI Life. It's not good to be an investment stock as of now. It can change. We are talking now. Maybe in 2 weeks, something can happen. New results that are coming from other companies can be pathetic than this one. So this becomes automatically strong, and there can be some new ideas that is coming up which can push the stock price. Things can happen. As of now, what we are talking, this is how it is. Because a lot of reviews after we did in 2-3 weeks, there is a change that's come, and we have also bought those stocks.